Welcome to an extraordinary tour of the 900 SQFT shipping container house with a basketball court. This unique container home, designed in the style of a barn dominion, is a breathtaking getaway. But there's more to discover. It features an incredible indoor basketball court. So, let's dive right in and explore this fantastic Airbnb located in Hocking Hills, Ohio. As we arrive at your private Airbnb getaway, you're greeted by ample parking space and the stunning 900 square foot shipping container home. The exterior boasts a deep, rich black color with white oak pillars, adorned with custom metal bracketing. Illuminated with lights at night, it's a sight to behold. The front porch offers a couple of cozy benches and, of course, your entryway. Upon entering the home, you'll be welcomed by a grand, spacious interior. In the center, a magnificent chandelier illuminates the living room to the left and the kitchen to the right. The living space is bright, airy, and impeccably clean. The kitchen is a gourmet's dream, featuring a large dining table with a beautiful wood and live-edge design. The windows around the dining area flood the room with natural light. The kitchen is fully equipped with all the essentials, including a variety of coffee options, creamers, and sugars. The white countertop seamlessly integrates the sink, creating a unique, modern look. Heading into the first master bathroom, you'll find a well-appointed space with a shower, toilet, and all the toiletries you could wish for. The cabinet doors are even wrapped in leather for a touch of luxury. The master bedroom boasts a queen-sized bed with remote-controlled adjustable features, allowing you to elevate or lower the bed to your preference. It's a cozy space for a good night's sleep, with a nightstand for your convenience. The living room is tastefully decorated in white and leather furniture. A leather couch and 2 chairs surround a beautiful coffee table. The Samsung TV, framed in white, adds to the room's elegance. A custom fireplace with stone and wood details is the room's centerpiece, and shelves on both sides provide entertainment options, including various games. The second master suite mirrors the first, offering a similar layout with a bathroom and bedroom. The highlight of this Airbnb is the indoor basketball court, an absolute dream for basketball enthusiasts. The court is regulation-sized with a concrete floor and painted lines, even featuring a 3-point line. You'll find basketballs and benches to enhance your experience, all within a sturdy shipping container structure. It's an ideal place to enjoy some basketball with family and friends. The outdoor area is equally impressive, with a dining table for outdoor meals, swings for relaxation, a hot tub with a convenient hydraulic cover, a grill for barbecues, and a fire pit with Amish-made chairs. They provide firewood for you to enjoy. The possibilities for outdoor fun are endless, from basketball to hiking in Hocking Hills. This is the extraordinary Lenae's Layup Airbnb, an unparalleled experience for basketball lovers and anyone seeking a luxurious getaway. The hosts are incredibly welcoming and attentive, ensuring your stay will be unforgettable. Don't miss the opportunity to experience this one-of-a-kind container home with a basketball court. Check the links below for booking information, and be sure to share this video with friends or family who would appreciate this unique Airbnb. Thanks for joining us on this remarkable tour, and stay tuned for more exciting adventures in future videos. See you next time.